someone that use CapCut and you're looking for a way to make a scrolling text like this on CapCut, let me show you how this is done. Here I'm using CapCut on PC and I already have my file, the video imported. So you go ahead and go to text, add a text. So I have my text already, so this particular text. After that, I'll go down to add background to backgrounds here. Then you can go ahead and change the color of the background if you may. Here, choose blue. So this is okay for me. Alright, so I'll move this down here. Let me make it smaller, it's a little bit big. Size, okay. So to start up with that, make sure it's at the beginning. It's still a little okay. I think it's looking perfectly now. So bring your playhead towards the end, towards the beginning rather, and then come here to the position and click on the keyframe. So once you do the keyframe here, you can now move the playhead towards the ending of it. Make another keyframe and then move this. So once I hold, I right click and hold on it, I'll just hold my shift so that I don't lose the snap position, which is okay. I'll leave it the end of it, which is okay. So if I go back here and play, so you see it's scrolling now. If I want this to be faster, what I can do is to move this way so it becomes faster. If I still want it even more faster, but this speed is quite too much. I think this speed is okay for me. Alright, but you will notice there is an issue. Once the video passes this place, it stops scrolling. See, to stop scrolling. So what you do to fix this is, after you're done with this first, you can now reduce this to, let's say here is okay, then copy this and paste it. Just do paste it, or you just do Ctrl V, paste it here again, paste it again, keep them on the same line. So you keep doing that. Have your scrolling text each time. So this is how this is done. If you find value from this video, do make sure to subscribe and follow me for more tips like this. My name is Stanley Chima and I'm with Elamedia.